Breaking news just coming in right there. Speaking to India Today, AIIMS Director Dr. Randeep Guleria has claimed that the COVID peak is going to be coming in June, July. The spike in cases is because of the increased testing is what he says. He also goes on to say that cases are restricted to some area and clusters alone. The big takeaway being that the peak would come in June and July and the spike is coming in on the back of increased testing. We've got that interview. Let's play that out.
Joining me right now is Dr. Randeep Guleria of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Sir, we're seeing the graph of COVID cases across the country only growing. Today we crossed the 50,000 mark as well of confirmed cases. To what extent will this keep growing, and the spike in numbers that we're seeing, what do you attribute that to, sir?
So it's right that the number of cases is increasing, but it's also right that if you look at the number of tests that we've done and look at it as a percentage, then we're more or less about the same. That we are around 4% or 4.5% tests are coming out to be positive. So increasing number of cases could also be related to more testing being done. But having said that, one would have liked to see that despite our large number of testing, the number of cases remain the same or starts coming down, which is not happening. So therefore, there is something that we need to be vigilant about, be more aggressive in our management strategy. And if you look at the cases, they're basically coming from very few areas. We need to focus on these areas, see what we can do in terms of decreasing the number of cases from that area, those areas, aggressive planning. That will help to bring down the number of cases.
What do you, are you anticipating a peak in the cases so far? You're saying they're growing at a flat rate, but they're growing still. Are you anticipating a peak?
So there will be a peak at some point in time. How big the peak is something which time will only tell. When
are you?
So it is likely that it may occur somewhere in June or July, looking at whatever the modeling data people have made. This is based on modeling predictions that a lot of modeling specialists have done. But this may change depending upon how things pan out over the next few weeks.
That's a big breaking story here on India Today. My colleague Poulomi Saha getting us that exclusive conversation with Dr. Guleria. Dr. Randeep Guleria, who's the director of AIIMS, has gone on to say that the peak in cases of COVID will come in by June or July. And this peak will be attributed to the increased amount of testing which is going on as well. But the cases are restricted to some areas and clusters. Breaking the story first on India Today. And this is an India Today exclusive. Poulomi Saha breaks this. Poulomi now joins us. Poulomi, so now it's interesting to note that the spike in the cases is coming because of an increased level of testing. Did Dr. Guleria talk about being extra vigilant? And as far as the center is concerned, they'll face a precarious situation where on one side, do we continue with the lockdown to save lives, or do we lift the lockdown in those clusters to save livelihoods?
Absolutely. It is definitely a catch-22 situation for the central government. The lockdown and the containment measures have had a lot of impact on the ground. That is what Dr. Randeep Guleria told us when he was speaking to us. He said that, in terms of course, ensuring that, the least number of people get infected by the virus because they were obviously maintaining social distancing, they were staying indoors. Obviously, to prepare ourselves as well in terms of drawing up the infrastructure, building the infrastructure to deal with a virus which was unique, which was new to us. To prepare that has also been one of the sort of advantages of the lockdown, which was of course implemented across the country starting March 25th, and it continues up until May 17th. But then, of course, like I said, it's a catch-22 situation. How do you go on with a situation like this when there are, of course, those whose livelihoods have been impacted as a result of the lockdown as well? So you take the health into account, you take the economics of it into account as well. But yes, he does say that given that you look at various factors, you take various factors into account, various modeling factors, as he calls them, you look at the situation right now, yes, there is a flattening, there is a flat rate of growth, but there is a growth nonetheless. And that growth, if we continue to exit the lockdown and the measures that we're taking right now, then obviously there is more exposure. People are going to get more exposed to each other. Social distancing will become tougher with time. And hence, he is anticipating that looking at those various modeling factors, there is a possibility that the numbers could spike and peak between June and July. So it is going to be a very difficult situation for the central government to monitor at the moment. But this is what he is, of course, anticipating, hoping that people will then, of course, still continue to maintain social distancing. And of course, like he says, that the cases are, of course, restricted. He says to certain clusters and areas. It's not a national spread of the impact of the virus. There are certain clusters, certain areas which are the hotspots, which are the containment zones. And that is what the medical professionals and the healthcare infrastructure of this country need to be focused on. They need to focus on that. And that's when possibly we will see a decline in that peak, which he is, of course, like I said, anticipating in June, July.
All right, Poulomi Saha breaking that story first on India Today. That's an exclusive conversation she had with the AIIMS director as well, speaking about how the peak is going to be coming in June and July and how one needs to be more vigilant.